Click subscribe and bell icon. Hi YouTubers, welcome to ClueIn. In this video, I am going to tell you how to install Apache NetBeans, which can be used for development of desktop Java, mobile Java, web applications Java, and also HTML5 with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So let's start. NetBeans installation is very simple. You only need to Google it NetBeans and it will show result as you can see in screen. Click on NetBeans link. It will show result as you can see on my screen. Here you can see more stuff of your interest. Click on download button. It will start downloading your software immediately. Here on this page there are different versions of NetBeans. Most recommended is to download latest one, but it's not compulsory. I have already downloaded 8.2 version. I will double click on this exe and that's it. It will take couple of minutes to finish this downloading. Next, check mark on I agree terms and condition. Next, location where you want to install IDE of NetBeans and JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. Here downloading starts. It's complete because I have faster video speed. Click check mark if you agree to contribute NetBeans project. I will uncheck, but you can make it marked if you like to do so. That's done. If you like my video, please don't hesitate to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.